Might set some suspicion.
That's cool with me.
Taking out his boat. He's got a little swift rod. It's one of those little toss reels. You just fucking give it a left, right. What the fuck? That fire's hot. He just fucking. He tosses.
Damn it, give it to her.
Hey,
I'll give it to her.
what the fuck is going on here? Hey, you recording this shit?
This is true.
Right. So we're out in the middle of the lake, Lake Placid.
Record
Let's
all of
call
it.
That. So we start
That's in New York, asshole.
swimming out. Did I say where I was?
Well, you sound British,
I didn't give
so
a-
I'm not sure.
So if I was a British man just going out on a fucking
You
New
sound
York.
like Jack Sparrow.
What the fuck? So I was out there.
Captain Jack Sparrow. Black
Jack
Sparrow.
Sparrow was out there fishing. He tosses a rod, finds himself fishing, pulls his line in. All of a sudden, he's got a little tug in the line. He starts getting a little wiggly. He doesn't know what the fuck's going on, so he starts tugging on it a little more. What do you know? He starts pulling off. He thinks he's got a grabber. He starts fucking reeling and tugging and reeling and tugging. All of a sudden, pulls the thing up. Thing's all shiny. It's like a big old shrimp. Did you guys know bubblegum shrimp exists, by the way?
In San Francisco.
Yeah, it's not just Forrest Gump.
It's at
Bubblegum
the
shrimp
wharf.
actually exists.
Yeah.
That's by the point.
sit.
But
I'm not even
all of a sudden he pulls this fish up
Pretending.
on his boat. It's all shiny and everything. The thing fucking opens his mouth. He's like, "Hey, I'm the pimp trap with this lake. You just fucked me up from a couple little sallies down there. I was getting my shit on. You just fucked it up."
sticky stuff on my face.
This fucking fisherman was like, "What the
Said this
fuck's
to a
going
fish?
on here?" Yeah, this is a fish talking to me, telling me that he was hitting on some sallies down south.
In 1865.
In 1865, but he was a pimp trout. He had stripes, colored, and everything. And I was like, what the fuck is this guy doing? So all of a sudden I was like, hey, you're a pimp trout.
Oh.
I was like, what the fuck are you doing down there? He's like,
Sliding.
I'm trying to hit on some sallies down there.
Yep,
You fucked up my shit. Guy's like, stuff's getting all overwhelmed and shit. He's like, hey, I'm not trying to fuck up your shit or anything. I'm just trying to fish, you know, I'm just trying to catch, you know, all this stuff. So he's like, takes the hook out of his mouth. He's like, all right, go back on your way. All of a sudden, you see this shiny glitter down south, and you start seeing a weaving of the shimmer. And that's,
Of the shimmer.
yeah, that's fishy sex. Fish sex is like weaving shimmers. You saw him down there. He was macking it on a pickerel, and he was fucking. He was hitting that shit like no tomorrow. I saw like this weaving like an animal, and I cracked a beer to it. I couldn't even. I was laughing so hard. I was like, "Way to go, man! Fucking right on!" He's fucking swimming away. I see the shimmers, and all of a sudden I see these little puffs of bubbles. It must have been like fish semen, because he missed. He must have had a good time, because like the lady swam away, but I saw the bubbles after. He was safe. He must have pulled out. He did it, but it was good. As soon as I saw that, I was like, "Fucking hey, man! I'm so glad I didn't catch that guy." He's safe though. I like that. Safe fish. Dig safe.
It is a silhouette, and it works for me.
Is that the whole story?
It's the same idea though, right?
Right.
Of what?
You dig safe. You fish safe.
I did.
If you're gonna be a trout fucking a pickerel, you're gonna pull out. You're gonna make some weird fucking fish.
My left hand is not.
Mike,
Alright, all the blind part.
that was a great
Imagine
story.
they didn't really have boats back in 1865. They had dinghies. Alright,
And they weren't fiberglass.